One of the key areas that we've agreed upon is the need for Oman to establish a visa processing center in Nairobi. They are already having discussions with the Philippines. They wish to have discussions with us also concerning the same, so as to ensure we do away with rogue recruitment agencies that bring Kenyans here on tourist visas that do not guarantee employment in this economy. We have also had discussions concerning the need for our private recruitment agencies and the recruitment agencies here that are regulated, that are registered to work together. That partnership is very, very key, owing to the fact that we've had many agencies that purport to have good jobs for Kenyans here in Oman, and young Kenyans unfortunately end up doing. And therefore, the need for that partnership between those that are regulated here in Oman and those that are regulated also in Kenya. We are just about to append our signatures on it. Whatever is remaining is just a few clauses that we need to agree on. We have invited our counterpart from the ministry, together with his minister, to come to Kenya so that we can then be able to sign that memorandum of understanding and create a pathway that will guarantee Kenyans a very, very determined and clear way of accessing jobs here in Oman. And we're not making reference to unskilled labor alone, but also for skilled labor, for professionals in Kenya who wish to come and work in Oman, in the medical sector, in the engineering sector, in the construction sector, in the various sectors that obtain within this economy.